Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the ZoomInfo functions. Let's get started.
The ZoomInfo functions enable seamless integration with the ZoomInfo platform, allowing users to interact with data directly through API connections. These functions streamline workflows involving lead, contact, or company information. To add any of these functions to your action, first locate the action you want to modify, press Edit, click on Add Function, and then click on the header of the new function. Search for ZoomInfo. Here, you will have multiple options. The Add ZoomInfo Data to a List function allows users to append specific data from ZoomInfo to a predefined list within the system. The Download List Contents function enables users to retrieve and download the contents of a specified list from ZoomInfo. The Search Result function enhances basic search results retrieved from ZoomInfo with additional details. The Search ZoomInfo function allows users to perform a search query within ZoomInfo directly from the system. Once added and configured, the function will seamlessly integrate with ZoomInfo via API connections and execute its defined purpose within the action. That's the end of our quick tutorial on ZoomInfo functions. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.